Why you shouldn't water plants at midday during summer. In the grand painting of nature, dawn brings with it the breath of new life. As the first rays of the new day weave through the rows of trees, we witness a world of plants awakening, vibrant with life and color. Welcome back, where every story is told not just through words, but through the language of nature. Today, we're going to explore an enduring mystery in the heart of Mother Nature. Watering plants at midday during summer, a common habit that might not be so wise. In the heat of summer, as the sun blazes brilliantly in the sky, does bringing water to these lush plants truly bring life, or does it inadvertently become a hidden threat? Join me as we discover, through the lens of science and real-life experiences, to better understand the most scientific and correct way to care for our trees and plants. The importance of watering plants correctly. In every drop of water we offer to plants lies the power to nourish life, aiding in the growth and prosperity of trees and vegetation. However, watering plants correctly is not a simple action. It requires understanding and careful observation. Watering in the early morning, when temperatures are cool and sunlight is gentle, not only helps plants absorb water efficiently but also avoids the risk of leaf burn under the harsh sun. The process of photosynthesis, the foundation of life on Earth, heavily depends on water. A proper balance in water supply not only optimizes this process but also protects plants from environmental challenges. Experiences from gardening enthusiasts show that choosing the right time to water plants is not just part of the care process but an art, requiring finesse and a deep understanding of nature. The risk of watering plants at midday during summer. When the sun is at its highest in the sky, the summer heat brings not only warmth but also considerable challenges for the plant world. Watering at this time might not be as beneficial as we think. Under the intense heat of the sun, the act of watering can quickly turn into a nightmare for plants, as the high temperature causes rapid evaporation of water, not allowing it to seep into the soil and nourish the roots. Like small magnifying glasses, water droplets on leaves under harsh sunlight can cause burning, damaging the leaves, impairing their ability to photosynthesize, and reducing their vitality. The clear difference between plants cared for properly and those facing environmental harshness is a stark reminder of the importance of choosing the right watering time. Effective watering methods. To optimize the health and development of plants, choosing effective watering methods is indispensable. Let's go through some techniques and tips that help water plants correctly, conserving water and protecting the environment. Watering in the morning. Starting the day by watering plants in the early morning not only ensures water penetrates deeply into the soil but also guarantees that water does not evaporate quickly under the sun. Automatic irrigation systems. Technology steps in with automatic irrigation systems, hoping to distribute water evenly and accurately, minimizing waste and optimizing watering. Using mulch around tree bases. Mulch not only helps retain soil moisture but also prevents weed growth and protects roots from the adverse effects of high temperatures. Checking soil moisture. Knowing when plants need water is not difficult. By checking soil moisture, you can accurately determine the best time to water, ensuring plants are adequately hydrated without excess. Mastering watering techniques not only helps you protect your plants but also contributes to environmental protection. With effective watering methods, we nurture life and conserve our planet's precious water resources. We've explored together the secrets and methods for effective plant watering, helping vegetation grow healthy and sustainable. Let's marvel at the wonderful results of these efforts and remember that every small action of ours contributes to a greener future for our planet. Looking at this garden, where every plant thrives healthily, we can clearly see the results of proper plant care. Every green leaf, every blooming flower stands as evidence of thriving life, reminding us of our responsibility and love for nature. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Your interest and support are the motivation for us to continue sharing knowledge and passion for nature. If you find the information we share useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit like, and leave a comment. Together, let's build a community that loves nature, sharing and learning from each other to protect our green environment. With every small step we take today, we're building a greener future for tomorrow. Let's join hands, share knowledge and experiences so every garden, every green corner becomes a support for life, raising environmental awareness and creating positive changes for our planet. Goodbye, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.